MC Jackknife, DJ Power, Pure Science, competition entry. And this is how we do it right now. Yo, Power, introduce yourself. Trust me. 2015. Yo, Power, introduce yourself the way you do. Give it to them. Wow. It's a double drop. What? Okay, let me roll quick. Listen. Give me the mic, I'll kill it. Bang, no seal it. Wasting it, come and quit it. Cause I am my onwards critic. Take time in bar and lyric. Never leaves anything that's pathetic. Let's match as hard as nails. Only true if they're acrylic. Give it a set, I'm on it. Boom, no sonic. When the head's filled and vomit. My persistent, no, they can't stop it. With your home on blazing chronic. I'm like them putting money in my pocket. That's driving you crazy. Driving you psychotic. Hit it up an artist saying court, it's a liberty. Jack, I'm spinning a hot minute. He's overtaking me. He's making big moves in the D&B industry. Why the fuck can I be given the same opportunity? Shh. Listen, you hear why I'm getting them. Ravers feeling me. Other MCs they're forgetting them. Other MCs over the moves I'm making them be hating them. Things heavy on my back, I'll make them be regretting them. And that's how we introduce ourselves. Large up on my soundproof crew. Large up the Bar Rage Massive. Wow. Big up all the entries so far. Large up Menace. Large up Livid. Nemzo. It's all love for real. Not everybody will feel this. I still bring the hype. Don't ever get that twist. I do this for the ravers who are out on the piss. Whether you're jump up in or a true junglist. I spit the realness. Not everybody will feel this. I still bring the hype. Don't ever get that twist. I do this for the ravers who are out on the piss. Whether you're jump up in or a true junglist. Wow! Power! That's a P-O-W-E-R. Sounds of a selector, the DJ Power. It's a J-A-C-K, K-N-F-I-E. What them will call me? Jackknife MC. Let me tell you about myself. Country boy from down the south. Express my views to the use of my mouth. Give me a beat and I reckon that route. Well, what can I say about me? Born in 1993. 20 years down the line, I'm causing a storm in D&B. So what you know about the Jackknife? Ain't got a quiz, ain't got a wife. Worry about that in my later life. Music's important in my life. Well, what you know, life is mine. I'm doing alright, I'm doing fine. I've got my eyes on the prize. I'll have it in due time. Wicked! Nothing but big tunes and big mixes from the DJ Power as standard. Look, one shot down on calls on the earthquake with the earth shake. No credible work rating. Your heart rate when I demonstrate these bars. That I dedicate all my time just to create. To jump on set and detonate all the ravers. They appreciate the full cost of a different heavyweight. Jackknife, fresh in the Colgate. Other MCs give me a headache. He translate after translate. The bullshit comes on the mouth and the lip shake. Everyone wants a piece of the pie. But he get fucked off on my plate. Hate or rate or say I'm great. Don't need investigators to investigate. Me do me, that's fate. No cause I ask, no debate. When I'm in set inside the rave, I'm making hands levitate the vibe. Elevate, the ravers never evaporate. From the room I'm in, cause they know it's time to celebrate. That's why don't separate me, but other MCs who don't relate. One big bars I generate, that these MCs imitate. That's a multi business. I'm a primate, I'm a D&B darling, and it's time to exterminate. And you gotta let them breathe. Relentless spitting
time you'll have a
Okay,
chance
it's fresh
to
ones,
shoot me,
listen.
but not in the back.
I'm working invested, whole front row infested. I cause much damage on the dance floor, I should be arrested. Soon as the mic connected, heads turned, got everyone arrested. All eyes on me, till the set is ended. My bars are well constructed, in your head they will be bended. I got these up and comers, feeling intimidated. But I don't worry about them guys, cause don't need to be distracted. I focus on my own thing, my time is never wasted. To top, that's where I'm headed. Anyone that intervenes gets exterminated. I'm a man on a mission, I ain't gonna stop till it's completed. Think you can stop me? You must be stupid. To stop me, a whole army would be needed. It's clear to say that I'm dedicated, and every show I turn up, I'm told I'm underrated. You should see the MC on up for me, he's devastated. He can't follow up the vibe I created. Trust me, large up on the pure science. Large up Sky's the Limit Studio, big up Malinky. Make sure you check out the studio for real. And if you like what you hear, check us out on Facebook and Twitter. Okay, pal, what you got for them? Listen, yo. You got a drink, she got a drink. Make sure you think before you link. I said, you got a drink, she got a drink. Yo, sing along, listen. You got a drink, she got a drink. Make sure you think before you link. I said, you got a drink, she got a drink. Make sure you think though before you link, bro. You got a drink, she got a drink. Make sure you think before you link. I said, you got a drink, she got a drink. Make sure you think though before you. She's a dirty girl with a dirty smell. Her presence alone makes me feel unwell. If you leave with that chick, you must be ill as well. She's such a mess, bruv, can't you tell? She's a dirty bitch with a dirty itch. They name it Lilo, but she looks like Stitch. Her presence alone makes my whole face twitch. I wouldn't leave with that chick if she was filthy rich. Wicked! That's the power! I got bar rage like I'm locked in a bar cage. I'm a perfected bars before I was at a bar age. It shows when I step up upon that bar stage. Why you think they call me Merlin? I got barmaid. I'm part of the next generation, lot man need to pay attention. Jack, I've got eyes on the prize and I ain't leaving my vision. For the guys who never get mentioned, still get the same crowd reaction. Think about it, confusion, asking myself the same old question. What's the point in dedication? Seems more locked down than the prison station. What a fucked up situation, only get English strong connection. Fuck that, man's on a mission, pull it to the race to reach my destination. That's on top position, leave my mark in the DB nation. We give you a bit of everything, believe me. Yo, I got that rich flow, I call it Ferrari. Getting the ravers live, bringing life to the party. Causing a heat wave, but I ain't wily, I just do it. Just like Nike. And this is why I'm starting, get rated highly. Filling up the dates inside of my diary. They want an MC that is full of variety. You ever close to matching me? Nah, hardly. You got that cheap flow, I call it Lamborghini. In a rave you just get mangled spaghetti. How you get a booking? Now that's a mystery. A code I can't seem to break. Da Vinci. That's incredible in the words of Genio Levy, cause you just gassed up to the max. Pepsi, your flow is so old it belongs in the museum of natural history. Trust me, just showing you what we're capable of. Yo, power, bring that double drop. You sound to the power and you know we don't flop. Wicked! And that's how we go down. Yo, I've been gone for almost a year, but it was clear I was made to be here. But on that sets like Hastings Pier, newcomers I'm the MC they fear. Why? They're nowhere near me, keeping them in my rear. Watch them all disappear as I race through. If it's gear like boom, party time and I enter the room, so give me a mic and a dirty tune. I send these MCs in the early tomb. They wanna be shooting stars, but me I'm the fucking moon. I've got my eyes on the prize. I'll have it real soon. Quality of a positive, you're gonna write bars properly. MCs say their bars are ill, but they're treated poorly. Same old shit sounds corny. They might come up with a story, they're talking about the fantasy. Me, I get the reality. So much gas, need of energy. Let's set lack energy. Me and Michael rechargeable battery, fuck up the dance. Casually, recharge go back to laboratory, working hard, no one's matching me. You terrible mind? I tell you actually, you're taking a piss. Nobody can diss an MC like this with loads of crisp. You're not missing this on the list of bars. You can believe it is. I'm a realist, you're an actress. No one wants you at the address of the rave, cause it's the ravers. You can't impress. No one will invest, you'll pay the invest. You're boring like watching your men play chess. Wanna test with the rest, will you best invest? Who bars, nigga, ladies to rest. Your career is dead, get that in your head. Have you listened to what I've said? Your career is dead, dead. I'll repeat that, dead. Wow! That's a P-O-W-E-R. Sounds of Selector, the DJ Power. Yo, I got the energy regularly, the crowd go crazy in front of me. Honestly, that's a reality. Put me in their top 3 track crew. Top dog pedigree. I do that constantly every time I'm inside the vicinity. Seriously, realistically, you're not much of this lyrical ability. Why? Because I'm a lyrical animal, strictly professional. Even Fonsa tells me you're uncontrollable. Shit, you give me so minimal. Punchlines hitting critical. I'm storming through the game. I'm on a higher level car. Spit intelligence, relevance. Don't believe me, here's my evidence. No one's gonna stop my persistence. Writing bars with the real content. My realness, no measurements. Haters, getting distance. Cause SMC's about to blow. In an instant, pack punch with my deliverance. Which I flow with pure consistency. Me and most MC's a difference. And I don't need your resistance. Right now, I'm gaining experience. Reaching, giving you like inheritance. I live for the DMV. Preaching like the Bible's testament. Wicked sound. This one makes me wanna skank out, rock out, whatever you want out. Skank out, rock out, whatever you want out. Skank out, rock out, whatever you want out. If you don't skank out, rock out, you get the fuck out. Let me just skank out with a bubble, let me just skank out with a bubble. Let me get drink my sauce of double. Don't get drunk and you can go trouble. We're here to have a good time, so be humble. But that bass line is a now rumble. What's that coming in? Oh my word!
Make sure they're all dead before you leave.
Say the best things in life comes to those who wait. Well, fuck that, I'm going in now. Take. You waiting man can have whatever, leave on the plate. Believe me when I tell ya, you're gonna have to scrape. Took some time off, yeah? Had a little break, but I'm back now. And I'm fully awake. You can all kick back and watch the moves that I make. I'm going 100% in this now, make no mistake. I don't drive a Ford, but I gotta focus. I ain't got time for your time wasters and chat bogus. Cause you don't spit bars, nah, you spit mucus. I pity you fools, call me V.A. Baracus. When I turn up, I'm causing nothing but a ruckus. My presence causes empty to retire, working August. Beating all these beats, leaving nothing but the carcass. Where's cadets ask, can you leave some? Nah, I'm leaving you nothing, only if you're leaving you is nothing. This trick's gonna leave me good fucking, why you think I'm up and coming? I'm back in the jumps now, so that's you out the running. Come on, you can't compete with the bars that I'm writing. By the time making money for writing is when you're signing. On you say you're big in the game, but come on, me say where you fit long. Go on, that's on Facebook about your constant short, but we all know the truth, man. You're wrong, ha, that's adorable that you think you're unstoppable. Truth is, you're hypocritical, you and me were not on the same level. Your act, that's comical, can't understand but laugh and giggle. Cause you don't write bars, nah, you scribble, ha, that's laughable that you think you're unbeatable. Truth is, you're weak and feeble, lyrically, we're not equal. I heard you mixtape bros, don't make us equal. Cause you don't spit fast, nah, you dribble. And again, large up on my soundproof crew. Large up with Swifty, the little lively. That's the S-O-U-N-D P-R-O-O-F-D-M-B. That's my soundproof. My soundproof family. That's my soundproof. My soundproof family.
You know the music stepped in and saved my life. I gotta thank God for the music.
Bring in that one. Pure Science. Big up everyone who's got
In
their
your party,
tickets
people, you know we
already.
made it through some hard times. If it wasn't for the music, I don't know what we'd do. You know the music stepped in and saved my life.
For real though.
I gotta thank God for the music.
Bring it in! What? Giving you all them flavors. You know what? Listen, I'm drum and bass man. I'm drum and bass crazy. I'm a drum and bass lad. No, if Bucks or maybe Power's drum and bass man. He's drum and bass crazy. He's a drum and bass lad. No, if Bucks or maybe personally me. I'm a all-star TV. Jump up, liquid, we even get a little techie. Be jack up on the one trick pony. As long as my DJ has the big bangers like Jody. Ha! Wicked. Support. Last one. What we tell them now? And that's it. The Pure Science competition entry. Like, comment, share. Until then, peace.